Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is our first tutorial on solving a practice on CodingBat on Python. For the first tutorial, we are going to go over Warmup-1, and let's just solve the slip-in project. Okay, so in this practice, the question is asking us the parameter victory is true if it's a weekday, and the parameter vacation is true if you're on vacation. We are sleeping if it's not a weekday or we are on a vacation, return true if we are sleeping. So basically, when we give this input to the user, we have to get these as the output, as their expected results. So our definition function it is given as a sleeping with the two parameter weekday and a vacation. So we can solve this in multiple different ways, but let's just go over a few examples of them. So the first one, it is asking if it's not, so if it is a weekday, it's true. So that means if it's not a weekday and the parameter vacation is true, and the parameter vacation is true if you're on vacation. So that means if and it's a vacation, it has to return true. Else and true if and we are sleeping if it's not a weekday or we are on vacation. Okay, so I think this has to be like this one. We have to return true, else it has to return false. Return false. Okay, so for this one, let's actually see if our code works. Okay, so as we see, as the first method, this will work. So let's just try a different method, just to have some ideas what are the possibilities to solve this coding example. So another way is that if it's not a weekday, we return true, and then else we return a negative value, which is a vacation. So we're gonna pretty much return the same vacation. Let's see if this one also works. Okay, as we see, this one will also work. So this could be our second method. So let's just write second method. And that's our first method. Okay, so let's just comment these ones out. And then let's go for a third method. So the third method could be the opposite of what we just write on the second method. So let's just put it as if it's a vacation, we return false, else we return weekday. Actually, no, not a weekday, because in here, if we look at here, we already said it's not. So in here, we also have to return a not function. I think that should be true. Give me one sec. Return false. Okay, so this is true. That also have to be true because it cannot be an arrays. Okay, let's see if false will work out. Okay, so in this one, we get false. So and then the expected value is true. So possibly we're just making a mistake. So that has to be true. Let's just see. Okay, now this one as our third method will also work out. And then we can also write this code in a really easier way, but it's a little advanced. We can just write it in just one line just to solve this practice. And that is return not a weekday. Let's just put it here like this one. Not weekday or a vacation. And then let's just check this one. Okay, so as we see, this is also as the first method, this one also works out. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you liked more content of these ones, just please like and subscribe. And thank you. Have a great. Thank you so much.